Did y'all see that mess? Your girl stressed, depressed. Okay, well, I was. I'm not no more. All is going to be well soon. All is going to be better. But I'm like stressed and depressed. My house is a mess. My house has been a mess for like the last 3. First off, I don't have no car. My car broke. Here we go. Let's start there. My car, the mechanic said that my engine just locked up on me. My car is not starting. And like, it's the, what are the cats doing? Like, what are the cats getting into? Can't get no worse. Anyway, the mechanic said that my engine locked. Something about a crankshaft, something. So I have no car. I have been out of a car for like 3 days. The first day I was like, all right, whatever. I was off of work Friday. Saturday I was off. I ain't really had nothing to do. But Sunday when I had to go to work, and Monday, what's it like when I had to go to work and I had no car and I had all this other stuff to do I couldn't do. Y'all, I got so stressed and depressed. Like I was stuck. I couldn't do nothing. It was so cold, so I wasn't like walking nowhere. But then today I had to catch the bus from work because I had to get realistic. Like, yeah, listening to Ubers was cool, but they were so high. So I quit the bus today and OMG, it stank on there. The people be rubbing all up against you. They don't say excuse me. The old people getting on the trolley and stuff. And I'm like, excuse me, you want to sit down? She's talking to me. No, I don't want to sit there. Ma'am, you got a cane and you crippled and you limping and you don't want to sit down, but you gave me attitude. I was asking you, did you want my seat? And you called it attitude. Oh, okay, whatever, grandma. Then the old heads getting on there with they 40s, smelling like cigarettes and beer, like they just walked out the bar. I'm talking about the Still Reserve in the brown bag. I ain't seen that in so long, but I don't be outside like that. So anyway, I'm like, oh my God, they on here drinking. They busting up like they sitting outside the bar, like they on the corner. They having conversations about all kinds of stuff. Then there was this little girl standing up. I'm like, nobody gonna give her the seat. Then the YNs get on with the, it's all this room in the back. Like, y'all need to move back. Y'all need to move back, man. It's all this effort room back. Who you talking to? Oh my God. Then something was getting in my throat. Like, I'm like, oh, I can't breathe. When lo and behold, I'm sitting next to somebody. Then people was standing up over me because they got to stand up. But they all touching me. They letting people come through from behind them. So they like this. Nobody saying excuse me. Nobody is saying excuse me. Nobody says excuse me. Like a simple excuse me. Like, I know you got to let them through. You got to do that. But a simple excuse me because I know that you're sitting there and I'm all up on you. And it's just proper etiquette to just say, excuse me, pardon me, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Something. These motherfuckers. So I'm like, I'm the only one on this bitch using manners. I gotta pull the thing to get off. So the lady sitting next to me, excuse me. I'm like, excuse me, sorry. I pull it. She's in her phone, so I know I'm not about to ask her to pull it. So she's like, okay. Then I'm getting off. Everybody, mind you, I'm walking through past people. I'm like, excuse me, I'm so sorry, pardon me. Only one lady said to her, she was like, it's okay, baby. She's like, uh-huh. And I'm just looking like, nobody says, excuse me, pardon me. Nobody pardon themselves. They don't excuse themselves. You're breathing on me. You're walking on me. You're talking to me. Then you touch me. Then some lady kicked my foot. She ain't say nothing. I'm looking like, oh, They on there coughing, not covering their mouth. They was acting crazy on there. I'm like, oh, I gotta go. Oh, I got off that trolley at my stop. I said, oh, I can't do this. But I think that's what got me like in the mood to like, oh, I gotta get undepressed because I gotta think of a master plan and I gotta accomplish this master plan. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Anyway, so yeah. But I am about to clean up my house because, like I said, I'm not in a little depressive state anymore. So like the way that this look right here, this gotta get fixed because now I have a clear mind, right? Now I have a clear mind. Now I feel better. I'm in better spirits, and it's like, let's clean up, and then let's clean up. Let's clean up. So I will see y'all back when I'm done cleaning up. And I'm hungry. I want to eat. I need to eat all day. I've been told the person I eat all day. I had a Celsius energy drink. Like, of course, always. I need to stop with them. But I had one or whatever, and I need to shake my armpits. I had one or whatever, and I got some energy. So let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all would not believe that I went downstairs to start my kitchen after I cleaned up my room and my bathroom. Straight in my room, straight in my bathroom. Not like really clean, but like straighten it up. So I do that. I go downstairs. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna start my kitchen since I'm bringing dishes downstairs. I'm ready to start it downstairs. I gotta shoot my steps. And I hear a thump. So I'm like, okay, one of the cats jumped off or something. I got 2 cats, Leo and Caribbean. And then I come around the corner and Caribbean looking, peeking and shit. When she peeking, they did some shit that they ain't got no business doing. I get to my sink, y'all. This bag was sitting on my countertop. This bag was sitting right here on my countertop, right? Right on my countertop like this or whatever. But then I get to the sink and it's like this in the sink. So I'm like, how the fuck the bag in the sink? Then I look inside of here. This was inside the bag with a big ass piece of chicken breast. Don't you know they ate my whole motherfucking chicken breast? They ate the whole. They sat in the sink and ate my entire chicken. They ate enough for the day. Yep. Y'all ate my chicken breast. You ate my protein. Oh, you ate enough for the day. And I'm thinking I'm gonna have that chicken breast with the pasta that I'm about to make. I'm not even having it because I don't have it no more. But anyway, I just had to tell her that. Then I ate my motherfucking chicken breast. I'm about to finish cleaning up, and then I had to run to the store to get the stuff for my pasta. So, let me finish cleaning up. All right, hey y'all. So we're in the kitchen. I got me hungry, but I finished cleaning up. It took me a little minute, y'all. I was cleaning up, taking a break, cleaning up, taking a break. Then I got hungry. I'm like, damn, let me make some pasta so I can eat. And I didn't really have nothing for the pasta that I wanted. And because I don't have no car, I don't have no car. I can't even go to the market, so I had to go over to my poppy store. And then the bad thing, I went to a poppy store, and they didn't have the pasta that I wanted. They didn't have the cheese. For the tuna, I knew the poppy store was going to have the tuna. I'm like, damn, this they going to have the cheese. They didn't have the cheese. I had to walk to my other poppy store to get the cheese, which was another corner away. Like, and these people ain't even show a sidewalk. I was walking on snow. I'm like, oh, please don't let me fall. But I got the cheese. I went for this. This Kraft being $5.49 is ridiculous. I'm on the phone with my friend. She like, oh, that's because you're at the poppy store. Girl, of course I'm at the poppy store because I don't have a car. So what other store am I going to get the cheese? There's nowhere else I can go to. Ooh, I was not walking there for. But so I got the cheese, I got the tuna. So one store had the cheese, but not the tuna. So I had to go back to my original poppy store to get the tuna. Because when I went to my first poppy store, he had the cheese or the noodles I wanted. Because this pasta that I'm making, it's supposed to be like a tuna fettuccine pasta, but I don't have fettuccine noodles. I have only these bow tie noodles that I already made. I put inside the pot. So I'm gonna have tuna bow tie, tuna. I don't know. I'm just calling it pasta right now.